Hi y'all, welcome back to Press Play on Life. Today's gonna be more of a slow video. One to sit back, get a cup of coffee, relax. Happy Thanksgiving, by the way. And I bet y'all thought that I forgot about this cookbook. Here's the book. It's just this little binder. I mean, it's so pretty. I love the colors. I just love everything about this. See? Oh, I'm so excited. I mean, look at that artwork. So mid-century. I just love it. Karen and I, we went down to Warsaw antiquing with my niece, my sister-in-law, my nephew. It is the coolest cookbook. I haven't cheated. It's been an eternity, it feels like. I don't know what's in these. This is some little old lady's treasured recipes, and she's filled out the entire book. She shoved little recipe cards and things inside envelopes, and I cannot wait. I cannot wait to see what's in here. See already, here's an envelope just full. Haha. Of recipes. This is from the Fudge Shop in Branson, Missouri. Oh, look. Their white chocolate cake and frosting. I wonder what year this is from. 70s, maybe? A little newspaper clipping for a coconut cake. This is Ethel B's. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is like going through history. It costs $20.90. And it's, here we go. It was written on that little receipt. This is Ethel B's. Need a cup of unsifted flour, sugar, soda, salt, beaten egg, fruit cocktail. Take out some of the juice. Sift together, add egg. I'm not really sure what we're making. Oh, here we go. It's a fruit cocktail cake. This is Ethel B's fruit cocktail cake. Written on the back of a receipt. Y'all, this is so fun. Here's Ray. It's Ray Morse's dessert. You make a white cake. That looks good. Oh. Betty Crocker. Rainbow Angel cake. Look at this. This handwriting is so pretty. It makes me think of my mom. This is Mother's lemon cake. Look at how well loved this was. Written on a Star Journal. I'm sure they got that in the mail. Oh. At 9:30. Hoot and Holler whiskey cake. Nan Wiley's white chocolate and moist rich cake. Dear Nan Wiley, I tasted a white chocolate cake that was delicious, but the woman who gave the party said it was a secret recipe of her own invention, so she wouldn't give it out to anyone else. Do you know how it was made? And apparently she did, and she answered. 1972. This is in the St. Louis Post-Dispatch, 1972. Oh, look, Nan Wiley again. Now I know who Nan Wiley is. Let's Ask the Cook by Nan Wiley, St. Louis Dispatch writer. What's this? Oh, it's how to make some wine. There you go. If you want some homemade wine, it's 21 days, so we missed it. Hey, you could make it for Christmas. You could make this 21-day wine just in time for Christmas. Oh, and it's from the Kansas City Star, Wednesday, January 30th of 1980. Oh, this is all alcoholic drinks by that Nan lady. Fruit gelatin, chocolate mint liquor. Huh. Kind of like to know what's on the back. Kansas City potatoes. Nan Wiley's orange liquor recipe. Not long ago, I found a terrific orange liquor recipe to add to our collection of homemade wines and liquors. You will need 1 cup of water, 1 1/4 cup of sugar, thin peelings of 1 large orange, 1 vanilla bean, split lengthwise, 3 tablespoons of pure orange extract, yes, tablespoons, 1 teaspoon of pure lemon extract, 8 drops of yellow food coloring, 1 drop red coloring, and 2 cups of vodka. There you go. Some orange liquor. Rhubarb wine. Ooh. Dandelion wine. Isn't that pretty? I think it's pretty. I like those. Oh. Okay. What treasures do we have in here? This is so fun. Thank you all for doing this with me. I think it's really cool and a lot of fun. Ooh, it's a Christmas quiche. With sausage and bacon. Let's see, what's it called for? Need a quick pastry cup or crust, some half and half, 4 eggs, shredded cheese, flour, onion, or green onion, parsley, nutmeg, salt and pepper, bacon, and sausage. Huh, that might be really good. Oh, I love these. I love when they're just written like this. What does that say? Grimes? Grimes scalloped eggs. Wow, 36, well beaten. Undiluted mushroom soup. One extra day, kids eat more. How about some eggs Rockefeller? Cheese souffle! No, egg souffle. Grits au gratin. Mildred Loss's grits au gratin. Serve warm. Here's Gertrude's mushroom spoon bread. Cheese strata. Shirley from Mary. Shirley via Mary. It's their cheese strata. Look at that handwriting. Gorgeous. 12 slices of light bread, 3/4 can, or 3/4 American cheese sliced. Look at this. Gorgeous. 12 donut holes. Hey, I'm in. That sounds yummy. Sounds so good. Mary Madison's cheese strata. Here it is. Oh, okay, okay. So here, there's Mary, and she got it again from Shirley. Well, that's fun. Y'all, I was looking so forward to this. I can't believe I lasted this long. I wanted to look at this since I got it. Mother M's blue plum conserve, spicy plum conserve. Oh, here we go. Here's Nan Wiley's. Nan Wiley, make grape juice from frozen juice. Or make grape jelly from frozen juice. That's really fun. Mint jelly. Sears, we got gifts. The Kansas City Times, December 18th, 1972. I gotta see what's on the front of this. Louise's salad, spicy cranberry mold. Look at that. That's pretty. Oh my goodness, I love that. Pretty little bluebird. She wasted such a pretty card on beets. Mushroom salad. Sandy's fruit salad. Oh yeah, she had some soups. Ooh, German sausage chowder. That sounds pretty darn good. Never heard of a cream of peanut soup. She has 2 recipes for that in here. This one. Whatever's in here. What does this say? I didn't pay attention. It is nothing. It is vegetables. Well, let's look at what she has for vegetables. Freckle-faced taters. This looks like something from the early 80s. Zucchini logs. Ah! This one comes with a picture. That's funny. Oh, a potato casserole. Louis and Sue. Glazed carrots, baked cabbage wedges, rice, potato curls, potato chips, barbecued chips, green onion bake, instant mushrooms, a 2-page spread for pomme souffle. Looks like French fries to me. Scalloped pineapples. Never heard of such a thing. Kraut. Boiled green bananas. A potato basket. A carrot bundle. Vegetable cases. Well, we did it. That's all of it. I told y'all it was going to be a very slow video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you paused on some of those recipes that you thought were neat. I really enjoyed that. That was fun to go through. Thanks for going through it with me. And that's all I have for today, y'all. Happy Thanksgiving again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.